Alright, so there we go. This is a forged RB3026 I've built. TO4Z, 6 booth ceramic coated manifold. It's got some Greddy stage 2 cams in it. Plasma Man, you can't really see it at the moment. Plasma Man fuel rail with some Bosch 2200cc injectors. Yeah, so it's got the Ross drain port on the back there. There's a few other things I probably missed, but yeah, she's getting there. And here we go. So this is what it's going in. My coupe, as you've seen, and here's my Haltech goodies. Look at this. Some would say is what dreams are made of, but being a single guy, I get to spend a bit of cash. So we've got the IC7 dash going in, the Hellcat 525 pump. You've got all my brand new missing clips from R35 coil kit. We got some Bosch fluid pressure temp sensors. So we've got 3 of them. Then I've got my map sensor, motorsport map sensor. Got my Turbo Smart fuel FPR 1200. Just running the EFI Solutions gauge on that one. I just received my 8 can keypad. Obviously the IC7 there, that's the keypad box. Look at this beast. This is the Nexus R5. Damn, I love that thing. And so yeah, got my flex fuel, universal harness, so it's all going to come together. So I just need to get over this damn flu I've got, and I should be right. And drop the engine in, get all the Haltech goodies in. I've got $900 worth of fuel lines, fittings and everything. The fuel tank's out of this at the moment, and I've put the 525 in the cradle. I'm just waiting on the 460 reserve pump, so I'm going to have 2 pumps in tank. Dash 6 fittings going into a dash 8 wire piece, a fuel filter between obviously just a heavy particulate. It's going to be dash 8 to the car, and obviously I'm going to change these out. Maybe, I don't know, maybe leave these as dash 6 or maybe dash 8. I don't know, I'll get some feedback there. Take this out and obviously put the map sensor in, and yeah, start to really get some progress on this thing when I start feeling better. So, but damn, if you could calculate the money just in this photo,